Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to my channel. Today is March 1st. When you're watching this, it is March 1st. And I just wanted to come on here with an intro because the video that I am going to show today are the stages of renovation to get the remodel together after the flood in my house. If you don't already know, last year in September, I had a flood in my house and we did a whole house renovation remodel. And I've been talking for months about showing the process and showing the finished result. And so in March, I'm going to sort of do this series. It's really going to be about home decor and home remodeling and all of that. So I wanted to start today's video with, I'm going to go back to, I believe, November. I was taking clips along the way, but I didn't post the clips. It just took me a while to get to this point. So I have put those clips together. It's kind of choppy. I apologize, but I was trying to film and capture moments and processes and stages in the renovation process as we were going through it. So that is what I'm going to show today. It is going to be part 1. And then part 2 is going to be next week. I'm going to do the reveal. It is still not exactly where I want it to be, but I thought it's probably never going to be exactly where I want it to be, but it's good enough. I hope you enjoy the renovation process, and then we'll come back next week for the reveal. All right, guys, bye. We are in the midst of construction, guys. I've been talking about this for a while. For those of you who don't know, I had a pipe burst in my house. That happened like over 2 months ago. Now we're just getting started on the construction. I'm looking forward to taking you guys through this transition. I've been doing some shopping for because I'm getting my bathroom redone. So I've been doing some shopping for tile, and I think maybe I've shown you guys that some of the video. I feel like, since we're doing this new refresh, that I would go ahead and refresh some of my furniture that I've had for a long time. All right, y'all, so I'm just taking a video right now. Everything, the construction has started. Everything is kind of taped off. This is the TV area. It's kind of dark in here, so I apologize. This is the flooring area. You can see where some of the damage is. And so this is everything that's sectioned off. All of this floor is leaving. You guys see, that's where the refrigerator was. Everything's taped off for like the dust. This is the flooring, guys. The beautiful nook has been disassembled, as you guys can see. This is the laundry room. My new washer and dryer that you guys saw that I got, that's gone. Yep, so everything's gone. Everything's taped off, so we're kind of living out of that part of the house. We just moved the bookshelf right there. And then we come into the bedroom. You can see the flooring walking into the bedroom. All of that is up. All the flooring is up in here, guys. This was like, we had like a brown laminate flooring. That is up in here. Bed is gone. Everything is gone. Then we are here. Again, the lighting, not great, but we have here, this is my closet. You guys remember when I did the closet remodel? It is completely empty. The floors are bare. They did all of this yesterday. Floors are bare. This is the shower, bathroom area. All this tile is gonna come up. Oh, they already got the toilet out. Guys, this is the tub that's gonna be eventually coming up. Those are my tile samples right there. And then we are here. This is where you guys know my sink area. This is that area. The cabinets are out. Everything is taped down. This is the shower area. Everything is out. Okay, guys, here is the current state of the living room. Since we last filmed, we have the flooring here. So that is all the flooring. And you can see the color. It comes across lighter on camera than it actually is. It's gonna be I just chose that color because I thought it was timeless, classic, luxurious, and so yeah, I'm excited. So that is that. And then the bedroom here. And I thought, oh yeah, the flooring. And you guys remember we went to the tile store and we picked out this tile for the floor. It's all gonna look the same on camera because it's kind of washed out. And we picked out this, really can't see it, this tile for the shower floor. And then this is the tile for the bathroom, the shower walls. I wanted the earthy, rustic look. I like the kind of cement calm, I don't know, it's calming to me. So I picked that out, and so yeah, everything is there. I think today is Sunday. I think they're supposed to start demolition tomorrow. So bittersweet to my tub because it is going away. I will no longer have a tub. Then the shower will just be, all of this will be gone, and it's going to be one extended shower with all the things. So just wanted to give you an update, just wanted to come on, kind of give a progress update. I don't know what vlog this is, where I'm gonna put this footage in. I'm just filming the footage as we're going. It'll probably be all out of order, but that's cool. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Wow, they're working. That is so nice. Man.
What do you think?
I love it. It looks so good. Perfect. Just hello. How are you? Good, good. All right, guys, we are going in to the bathroom area. I'm not sure what things look like, but oh my goodness, it looks like they have poured the concrete. Earlier today, this was a big mound of dirt and mud. The inspector came in today. He inspected and said they were okay to proceed with the next step. So the piping is in the ground and they laid concrete today. So they have a fan going there. Oh my goodness, this is really so cool. This is my first time seeing this phase. It is really coming together. That is the cabinet, the, what do you call it? Vanity cabinet for the bathroom. That's what that is. And this is a fireplace. It is 60 inches. I got it from Amazon on a great deal. So hopefully that should be going on that wall. So how my living room was set up before, you guys can see we have the TV there. We got that TV on a Black Friday special. We got a really good deal on that. And so everything was set up with the front door there. Now we will turn everything around and the fireplace and the TV will be there. Let's see, let me go into the kitchen. You guys see the paint. Look at the paint. The green walls are gone, guys. They're gone. So they've started all the painting. So you guys can kind of see the bookcase is over there now. It will probably, I'm not sure if I'll end up keeping it there or what, but it is there. Our refrigerator is here right now because they have so much to do, but yeah, they've painted. So all the walls look fresh. I love the color that we chose. It's really great. Oh my God, I did all of that with the dirty camera. And here we are, you can see it so much better. Oh my God, I cannot believe I did all of that with the dirty camera. And this is where the washer and dryer go. The flooring is done. They still need to do all the Baseboards for the flooring. You see, they still need to do the baseboards. Still need to do the baseboards. We are going to change these out because they're just old and peeled off. So we're going to change those out.
Can't walk on it yet.
Oh my goodness.
And there's no grout yet.
Oh
It's
my
gotta dry,
goodness.
but,
Oh, so cool. That looks really cool. No, that's a good color.
Yeah. And so now you can kind of see the basically the shower. You get an idea. That's the drain in the middle.
Yes.
These are where the two walls are gonna go.
So freaking cool.
Yeah, we're close.
We are.
Well, today's a big day. No, we're closer, personally.
Okay, the rear pewter's dark.
that's
Yeah.
a little dark.
Yep. Okay, now we're at this, and this is really more gray.
This is a nice one.
That's the egret white. Yeah. Hey, Dylan, how are you?
Boy, who would have thought a lizard would have done all this?
I know, right? I know, it's wild. I'm so glad that you were able to be involved with this.
Thanks for getting me.
Your Field Dynamic Duo team. Oh, this looks great. Phil, I'm excited.
That look right?
You guys are such professionals. Yeah. That looks really great. Yeah. Good morning, y'all, or hello again. This is Wednesday, December something. I'll put it on the screen. I'm sleepy. It's early. I have to go somewhere. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update on the progress. Turning on the lights. This is where we are. And really, this is what I wanted to show you guys. We are making progress here. You guys see the walls have been built. I'm really rushing on this. The walls have been built. You can see there. This is the little stone that's going to sit in the tub. And then this is the vanity area. The vanity will be coming in. Maybe today it'll be coming in. And this is where we are. Bathroom has been primed for paint. Yeah, guys, this is where we are today. We are there. The project was supposed to be done on the 12th, but we had a couple of delays. We had an inspection yesterday. Everything passed. So it'll probably be, I don't know, sometime next week. But it will be done by Christmas. That was my thing, just having it done by Christmas. And then this is how the setup is looking for the TV, as well as the fireplace. They were able to get that in there. And you see there, he did something creative with putting the back of this fireplace into the wall of the garage. He built a box around it where you can't see it. And then this is the mount. Guys, thank goodness the washer and dryer are back in. So we are washing a load now. Everything, nothing else is in, but the washer and dryer is in, and that's great. Let's look at the back in the bedroom, and it is painted. Yes, 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 yes. I love the color that I chose. It's called Egret White from Sherwin-Williams. It is painted. Yesterday it was just primed, but guys, it is painted and it is a beautiful color. And wow, so they got to do the trims and stuff. And okay, so we have something going on here, all this pink reddish color. I have no idea what that is for, but it's there. This is what we are looking like. Oh my goodness, what a process. This is the floor area. This is the bench. I don't know what that pink stuff is, but it definitely is gonna have to come off of that bench. The bench is gonna go back here somewhere in the back. Wow, okay, oh shoot. And guys, the ladder is there. But the vanity is in. Oh my goodness. The vanity is in. We are really making progress. We are really making progress here. All right, guys, I'm tired. I just came back from a track meet for middle school and I'm tired. So just wanted to see. They did a lot even since I left to go to the track meet today. So still a work in progress, but we are definitely getting there. Oh, look. The TV and the fireplace are up. Yes. That looks great. Dining room area is still bare, but we're working on it. All right, y'all.